I almost didn't have kids. Not because I didn't want them, but because I was terrified that having them meant giving up the thing that I love the most, traveling. I had this belief that once you became a parent, that chapter of your life was just over. It's too expensive, too complicated, too exhausting. And when I finally decided to start my family, people confirmed exactly what I had feared. Say goodbye to your vacations. That was the actual advice that I got. But I refused to accept that. My kids are little, they're 5 and 2 years old, and they've already been to 12 countries, multiple states, and several US territories. We're not wealthy. We live on a modest budget. I homeschool my children. We're completely normal people. But we've had travel experiences that most people only dream about, and we've done it almost entirely with points and miles. My kids have flown to Peru in business class. We've eaten gelato in Rome and walked through ancient ruins. And I'll never forget standing in our hotel suite in Paris, looking out at the Eiffel Tower, sparkling at night, with my 6-month-old son and my not quite 3-year-old daughter, just thinking, we actually did this. We're here. And it cost us almost nothing. Here's what nobody tells you when you become a parent. Travel doesn't end when you have kids. It gets better, so much better. Because now you get to see the world through their eyes. And there's something that happens when you watch your kids experience something completely new for the very first time. A new country, a new culture, a new language floating around them that they don't understand yet but are totally fascinated by. It's something that you can't quite put into words. My daughter walked through the streets of Rome and wanted to stop and look at everything. Every fountain, every gelato flavor. The world was brand new to her, and watching her take that all in just reminded me of why I fell in love with travel in the first place. That sense of wonder that we lose somewhere along the way as adults. Kids never lose it. And when you travel with them, you get some of that back. Then there are the silly moments that you don't plan for. The ones that just happen and come from spending quality time with your kids. That's what this is all about. Not the flights, not the hotel rooms, not the points or the best redemption. Those moments with your kids standing in front of these amazing places with their whole world wide open in front of them. We've done 7 cruises, 3 of them in Europe, and we have 4 more already booked. We've explored Rome with a stroller and a diaper bag and approximately 1,000 snacks. We've flown to South America in business class with a toddler and an infant and survived, and honestly thrived. We've watched our kids navigate airports, try new foods, and hear new languages, and adapt to new environments in ways that genuinely amaze me every single time. And coming up, we're taking our kids to Disney World. We have a trip to Maui booked. We have European cruises on the calendar. These aren't dreams, they're on the schedule. And they're funded almost entirely by points we earned from credit cards that we were already using anyway. I homeschool my kids, and travel has become one of the most powerful parts of their education. There's no textbook that teaches a child what it feels like to stand in front of the Colosseum, or watch a humpback whale surface 20 feet from your cruise ship, or to eat a croissant in Paris while the Eiffel Tower sparkles in the distance. That's real learning. And points and miles are what make it possible for a normal family on a normal budget to actually do it consistently. Now here's the part that I really want you to hear, because this is the whole point of this channel. None of this has to cost what most people think it costs. We're not wealthy. We're not getting free trips from brands. We're not doing anything that isn't completely available to any family who's willing to learn the strategy. We're using points and miles earned through credit cards that we were already going to use anyway. And we use them to fund travel experiences that most people assume are completely out of reach. Groceries, gas, everyday spending, all of it earns points when you're using the right cards. And those points turn into flights, hotel rooms, and cruise bookings that would otherwise cost thousands of dollars in cash. It's not complicated, it's not a scam, it's just a system. And once you learn it, you can't unlearn it, because you'll never look at a travel purchase the same way again. This channel exists because I believe that every family deserves to have these experiences, not just the families who can afford to pay full price. Every family, including yours. So if you're a parent who's been told to say goodbye to those vacations, this channel's for you. If you've ever looked at a flight price for 4 people and felt your stomach drop, this channel's for you. If you've ever seen someone else's travel photos and thought, must be nice, we could never do that, this channel is specifically, intentionally, completely for you. Because you can do this. I promise you that you can. If you're ready to learn exactly how and which cards we use, how we earn the points, and what those points can get your family, then watch the next video. I'll have it linked right here in the description. It's going to show you exactly where to start. Your travel life isn't over. It's just the beginning. I'll see you over there.